Are you searching after a good and affordable cleaning service? Our professional team has the experience and we can assure you that you'll get the best services. Check out our past work.
R Washers is a family-run business that specializes in residential property that has been serving the Bay Area for some time now, building high-pressure washers for over 25 years, so they know a lot about their equipment and how to work with multi-surfaces like vinyl siding, stonework, concrete texturing, woodworks from fencing, siding, and decks, even vehicles, heavy-duty industrial trucks and equipment. Algae, mildew, and mold grow at a rampant speed in the Bay Area. Our washers can help you keep your investment looking new. This will help keep those property values up. Our Washers is safe and insured for washing the Bay Area that is right for your property needs. Most estimates can be given over the phone, so give us a call. Let our Washers help you get your property ready for that summer barbecue and family backyard party. Or help you get your property investment value a little higher for you to help sell your home. Thank you.
We are confident you will be completely satisfied, so don't delay. Contact us today.